Hey everyone, I'm Laib Sajid. Today we are diving into the history of press freedom in Pakistan from 1947 to today. We will uncover how the media has faced challenges under different governments, look at important laws that shaped its course, and admire the bravery of journalists who stood up for freedom speech. Join me as we explore this vital part of Pakistan's story and its impact on democracy. In the early years of Pakistan, the press played a crucial role in nation building but faced severe challenges. The governor generals in the timeline, including Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Khwaja Nazmuddin, Ghulam Muhammad, and Iskandar Mirza. The Prime Minister of this era included Liaquat Ali Khan, Khwaja Nazmuddin, Muhammad Ali Bogra, Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi, I. Chandrasekhar, and Feroz Khan Noor. The government imposed strict censorship laws such as the Public Safety Act and Press Act's emergency powers, limiting freedom of expression. Newspapers like Dawn and the Pakistan Times navigated through these restrictions, advocating for democracy, illegal censorship, and suppression. During the military regimes of Ayub Khan and Yahya Khan, press freedom was significantly restricted. This era is significantly marked by martial law. The president of Pakistan during this timeline include Yahya Khan and Ayub Khan. The Press and Publication Ordinance of 1963 enforced strict control over media, leading to enclosure of critical newspapers. Journalists face illegal detention and censorship, turning the press into a government tool for propaganda and stifling dissent. Amidst initial media liberalization, Bhutto's government tightened control over the press. This era is marked with civilian rule over Pakistan, and the Prime Minister during this timeline was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The National Press Trust Ordinance was passed, leading the nationalization of major newspaper and editorial independence. Illegal arrests and intimidation of journalists became commonplace, fostering a climate for fear and self-censorship. Under Ziaul Haq martial law, press freedom faced severe challenges. Pakistan saw its third martial law during this timeline, and the military dictator Ziaul Haq ruled Pakistan for almost 11 years. The Press and Publication Ordinance of 1980 tightened media control, with journalists risking illegal arrest, torture, and even execution for opposing the regime. The press, operating under constant surveillance, became a mouthpiece of government propaganda. The returns to civilian rule brought some relief to press freedom, yet challenges persisted. Benazir Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif ruled Pakistan as its prime minister for two non-consecutive terms. Benazir and Nawaz governments utilized financial pressure and regulatory measures to influence media content. The Eighth Amendment was used to manipulate political discourse, while journalists faced illegal surveillance and compromising press independence. Initially allowing greater media diversity, Musharraf regimes later imposed stricter control. Pervez Musharraf once again imposed martial law and took over the government of Pakistan and remained the President of Pakistan. The establishment of PEMRA regulated media content, while the 2007 emergency rules say severe crackdowns, including illegal shutdowns of channels and intimidation of journalists. Despite increased freedom, threats to press independence persisting under Zardari's administration. Asif Ali Zardari remained the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan from 2008 to 2013. Yusuf Raza Gilani and Raja Pervez Ashraf were the Prime Minister of Pakistan during this timeline. Journalists faced illegal abduction and violence, hindering their ability to report freely. While the media played a crucial role in political discourse, misuse of laws like the Defamation Ordinance led to self-censorship among journalists concerned for their safety. This period witnessed heightened censorship and challenges to press freedom. Nawaz Sharif became the Prime Minister of Pakistan for the third time of the history of Pakistan, and Shahid Khaqan Abbasi took the office of Prime Minister after the disqualification of Mohammad Nawaz Sharif. Mamnoon Hussain was the President of Pakistan from 2013 to 2018, and he was also a ceremonial figure. The PECA was used to monitor online content targeting critical voices, while journalists faced illegal detention and harassment. Imran Khan, a famous cricketer of Pakistan, became the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan, and after his government was ended by a vote of no confidence, Shehbaz Sharif became the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Asif Alvi became the ceremonial head of the state of Pakistan after 2018. Press freedom faced challenges in recent years, marked by increased censorship and economic pressure. Allegations of illegal surveillance, physical attacks on journalists surfaced, while attempts to control digital media further compromised independent journalism. The press continues to navigate through these challenges, striving to uphold democratic values.